Hello friends, welcome to Vegisio. Today I am going to show you Mumbai's very famous Ragda Patties recipe. So let us get started. First of all, in a bowl take approx 200 grams of white peas. Rinse it 2 to 3 times to wash it well. And soak it overnight in water. Now drain the water and transfer this to pressure cooker. Add hot water. Salt to taste, half spoon of turmeric powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Pressure cook it for 5 to 6 whistles or until the peas turn soft. In the meantime, we will start making patties. To do that, first of all, take 4 boiled mashed potatoes. Add salt to taste, little bit of turmeric powder, ginger and chili paste. Also add some finely chopped coriander leaves to it. Further, mash and combine well with hands, making sure the spices blends well with potatoes. Furthermore, grease hands with oil to avoid potato mixture from sticking to hands and prepare flat round-shaped patties and put it aside. Now, we will make our ragda. To do that, open the cooker and check whether our white peas are cooked as required. Further, heat 1 tablespoon of oil on medium flame. And add 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, salt to taste and add boiled white peas. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and cook it for 8 to 10 minutes on medium flame. Once it reaches to desired consistency, then transfer it into a deep bowl. Now we will pan fry our patties. To do that, take a frying pan and heat 1 tablespoon of oil on medium flame. Now add our prepared patties. Flip over and cook all patties on both sides till they turn golden brown and crisp. Do the same process for remaining patties. Now our patties are cooked and ready. So our ragda and patties are ready, so let us combine both and make delicious ragda patties. To do that, take 4 to 5 patties in a plate and pour ragda on top of it. Further, add green coriander chutney, garlic chutney, tamarind chutney. Now add some chopped tomatoes and chopped onions. Furthermore, sprinkle some chaat masala and add some coriander leaves. Topped up this with chopped raw green mango. And finally sprinkle some save. Our Ragda Patties is ready now. If you like the video, then please share, like, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video.